Fulani Esme again. They have come again. They have come again. Yes, for a long time. It just has been a battleground and a recent story of Fulani men being killed on their way to a wedding in Jos as many fearing retaliation. A video of the arrest of some Fulani herders is currently making rounds on social media. In this video, herders said to be Fulanis were caught with over 200 ammunitions on their way to Jos. In the trending video, the captured ammunition were seen on the ground as shocked bystanders were seen taking videos and pictures of it. Likita Abubakar and his men are currently in police custody as they await judgment. Always going with arms, always going with ammunition. Nigeria Army are the sabotage. They are the ones supplying their kinsmen, Fulani terrorists, arms and ammunition to wreak havoc on other tribes. Can Nigerians now see the extreme danger in having Hausa and Fulani Janja with much more than other tribes, Yoruba and Igbo in the army? The question some people were asking sometime, that when we see all this many or the plenty ammunitions into this country, how were they able to bring them inside this country? Were they able to bring them? And when you talk about Boko Haram, of course, some people will tell you that that's why some people don't even believe in all this ammunition that the federal government is buying, because they will say they will end up in the hands of all these bandits, but they still have their own that they bring in. How come? At some point again, we learned that helicopter was bringing all these weapons and what have you, and they linked some of the big wigs in this country. They have come out to deny that. And you begin to ask, how come that these people continue to do this? How did they bring this in? Just like that. People begin to ask, how did they bring it in? So now, because now we are hearing that these people are beginning, people are talking now that the government is not even doing much about this. They are not doing much about this. And we are hearing now that they will get them. There's something that is hidden. There's something hidden that Nigerians cannot really figure out, but they can see the handwriting. Because even when you hear this one now, before you know, you will not hear anything again. They might be released, so that maybe to douse the tension or to make people feel that yes, they have been arresting these people, and maybe that is what we're going to be experiencing in times to come. Okay, you people are complaining that we don't arrest them. They will arrest them before you know it. They will be released. Buhari's killer Fulani Esme wants to fulfill the jihad killings of the Jos Christians, according to Prophet Muhammad. People like this need no trial but jungle justice. If not, so violence won't stop in our land. Before you know, now the matter would not be heard anywhere again. God must surely punish anyone that has a hand in a barbaric and devilish act like this. Are we at war? Question. Are we at war? Why hiding the faces from public? It is always them killing Nigerians everywhere, up and down. Let's de-radicalize him and send him into the society with better money. That is the end thing. And they have told you now, we are going to be seeing more of those repentant Boko Haram now, and repentant bandits, because according to them now, that is what they are standing on. They are according to international standard. If they have come to surrender, that nothing can be done to them, but you can now be spending the taxpayers' monies on them. Why is it that you have to wait until they come to a surrender? We have never even heard much about you taking the fight to where they are, their domain. But these guys always have the effrontery. These bandits or the terrorists, they always have the effrontery to come and bring the fight to the doorstep of the army. And in most cases, not that the army, they have not been winning some, but these people having they are having upper hand over the Nigeria army. And all of a sudden you hear that these same people are surrendering. May anything like Niger never come my way. There's no need of writing this nonsense, because they will soon release them. Order will come from above for their release, along with the ammunition. No be Nigeria with the Nigeria with the now. Are there weapons and ammunition food for the cows? Just asking. Weapons, yes. And when they come, when you see this kind of people in the southern part of the country, they will tell you, oh, everybody has right to live anywhere. Why are you saying that? Why are they doing this? These people are not Fulanis. They are not. Now, we don't even hear whether they are from Nigeria, or they are from other countries. You are not going to hear that. But, and you are not going to hear all this, if these people had been arrested in the south, you begin to see different groups from the north coming out, telling us that, oh, it is not possible. They don't like them. They are suffering this. Mieti Allah will not say anything, no. They will not come out and talk. They will begin to threaten Igbos. They will begin to threaten Yorubas. All those they are politicians who that, we are not going to support you. Is this how you are going to rule the country when you are being given opportunity? As if I don't just understand. So the way you are ruling the country is that how it ought to be ruled? Are we supposed to be going through all these things? You are the ones ruling, and you have scattered everything, and they are still boasting, or they still want to continue. They have nothing to offer. They have nothing to offer. So pathetic. I don't understand. Before you know it now, they will be released. Before you know it. And this is now Nigeria with day. This kind of a thing has been happening before, and heaven did not fall. Before you know, they will be released. And before you know it, like I said, a lot of this repentance Boko Haram, a lot of this program will be coming up. A lot of them will be coming up. They will be coming up according to what the government will be feeding us with. And the next day they will tell you, oh, we don't have right to do this. Who said, and why is it that these people have not been apprehended so well, like the way they always arrest IPOB and ESN, the way they always coming out, the Nigerian army, the Nigerian police always coming out to say, yes, this and that, we have done this to these people, we have gotten the kingpin, the chief priest, this and that, the financiers of IPOB and ESN, we have every now and then you begin to hear some such thing. But reverse is the case when it comes to the people over there. And they are telling us that these guys have repented. Telling us they have repented. Repented how? People are really confused with this statement coming from the government or from the Nigerian army. You can imagine the audacity that these people are working with. You can imagine. They say they are in police custody as they await judgment. Now that one. Now there that one go end. Now there that one go end. Believe you me, it will end there. You won't hear anything again. Nothing will be heard again. We know how they roll. The issue of Wakili in Oyo State, nobody's hearing anything again. No. Nobody's hearing anything about Wakili. Nobody. And they want Nigerians to believe them.